Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G and the Honor 400 5G smartphones to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, daily usage, performance, etc. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today. We have already performed all of them and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So the Samsung Galaxy A56 scored 904,825 and Honor 400 scored, and the Honor 400 scored 854,878. So as you can see, the winner is Samsung Galaxy A56. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and you can see in CPU, GPU and UX, performance of Galaxy A56 is better, and in memory, performance of Honor 400 is better. But our concern is the overall score, and in that, performance of Samsung Galaxy A56 is a bit better compared to what we are getting on Honor 400. Now let's have a look on Geekbench 6. This test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So Samsung Galaxy A56 scored 1367 in single core, 3846 in multi-core, while Honor 400 scored 1139 in single core and 3133 in multi-core. So once again, in both single core and the multi-core, performance of Samsung Galaxy A56 is better. If we go to the GPU test, in this, Galaxy A56 scored 6750 and Honor 400 scored 3465. So in the GPU test as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy A56. So in AnTuTu Benchmark and Geekbench 6, the winner is Samsung Galaxy A56. Now if we go to the 3D Mark, this is a GPU test, so basically it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So first of all, let's start with wildlife. In this, Samsung Galaxy A56 scored 5199 with 31.14 average FPS, and Honor 400 scored 5388 with an average FPS of 32.27. So in wildlife, the winner is Honor 400. If you go to Wildlife Extreme, in this, Galaxy A56 scored 1424 with 8.53 average FPS, and Honor 400 scored 1472 with 8.82 average FPS. So in Wildlife Extreme as well, the winner is Honor 400. As you can see, the difference is not too much, but the winner is Honor 400. Now if we talk about the Steel Nomad Lite, in this, Galaxy A56 scored 649 with 4.89 average FPS, and Honor 400 scored 493 with 3.66 average FPS. So considering three tests of 3D Mark, in two of them the winner is Honor 400. So we can say that overall in 3D Mark the winner is Honor 400. But if we are talking about the rest of the tests, the total three tests we have checked today, AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench 6 and 3D Mark, and out of these three, in two of them the winner is Galaxy A56. So we can say that Samsung Galaxy A56 will be slightly better in terms of hardware specs and when it comes to performance compared to Honor 400. But as we can see, the difference is not too much between these two devices in terms of test score results, and you won't notice much difference in daily usage. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.